Introducing Elcom's all-new Angled IX Cable Assemblies, featuring industrial high-flex outdoor cables, economy assembly cables, and Low Smoke Zero Halogen LSZH cables, offering optimal performance across various environments. These cables come in multiple jacket materials, including TPE, CMX PVC, and LSZH for enhanced durability and safety. Each assembly is Cat 6A rated with 26-gauge wire and is available in 1 meter and 3 meter lengths, ensuring compatibility with your network setup. Our IXA plugs are available in both upward and downward-facing orientations, with a compact 10mm parallel mounting design, providing a 75% size reduction compared to standard RJ45 connectors. Perfect for space-constrained applications. Choose from a variety of connector configurations, such as IXA plug to RJ45 plug, IXA plug to IXA plug, and IXA plug to RJ45 Jack, designed to meet the demands of modern connectivity with reliable space-saving solutions. Discover our complete range of products at elcom.com and ensure that if it's critical, it's Elcom.